Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am Marissa and this is my papers, paints and pens. And I am in a different angle today. I'm sitting on my different desk, my work desk, because I wanted to show you a process of tag making that I'm going to do. So now I just printed these gorgeous elements from the Autumn Breeze printable or digital kit. I did not use any of these items or these elements in the journal that I made, so I thought I would just play with them right now. They are the bingo cards, they are the lovely little journal cards, the tags, beautiful tags, and the pockets. I used some of these stamps. I did not use those tickets. I do not know why I didn't use those tickets. I must have missed those. But there are so many elements and so many gorgeous embellishments that you find in the kits that well, I just missed these ones. So I did not use the pockets or the tags and some of these elements, so I really want to play with them right now. And I'm going to make some tags and using these other journaling cards and the bingo cards to decorate those tags. So I will be cutting these up. I'll be fussy cutting everything up and I will come back to you in a moment. Okay, so I have fussy cut everything out. I have my tags. There are 4 of tags. I have little bits and pieces here. I have the journaling cards, I have the bingo cards, and I have the 2 pockets. I know I will be working with the the tags, or definitely, but I know I'll be putting the journaling cards and the bingo cards inside the tags. And what I also did just to prepare was I cut some scrap pieces of cardstock that I had. I cut them 8 by 16, which is the same size as my tag. Or my tags, because there are 4. I think the image in the kit, in this Autumn Breeze kit, I think they were supposed to be not so big tags, and I know I put all my images on my word processing thingy on my computer, and I can stretch them, make them as bigger or as small as I want. And I just made them 8 by 16. And I noticed when I printed them out, the hole is slightly bigger than what it normally should be, because my crocodile doesn't cut so big. But that doesn't matter. I can fix it with these little thingies. So that doesn't bother me. Alright, so what I will want to do is just back my tags up with the cardstock. But before I do that, I want to open up a little, see this little note or top note. I call this a top note shape, because before it's what in scrapbooking we used to call this a top note shape. I'm just going to cut that along here so that I can then slip in the journaling cards and my bingo cards inside. So I will do that before sticking the tags on my cardstock, just to make it a little bit more sturdy. So I will be using my X-Acto knife. I think that's what you call this thing. If it's not, it's just a blade looking thing, and just, it cuts and it's damn sharp, so just be careful when you use these things. I will be using some thick chipboard just for that effect. Now when I'm going to cut this, I could cut the whole thing and it'll be 2 whole pieces, but I'm not going to cut the whole thing because my bingo card doesn't need everything cut. So I will leave maybe a centimeter away from the edge, so that I can just slip it inside. And I do not know where my cutting mat is, so I'll be using this nice thick chipboard piece. I'm not very good at using this thingamabob, so I have to be careful. And I'm not good at cutting straight, never mind curvy lines, but anyway, what can go wrong? Okay, a lot of things can go wrong. I just need to be doing this slowly and very carefully. Let me see if oh, that cut nicely. Alright, so does it fit? Yeah, it fits. That one fits, and the bingo cards fit. Let me see. Oh yes, that fits nicely, so that's enough. Alright, so then we'll go there. Let's cut another one and see if I do just as well, just as good. Sorry, my English there didn't sound too good. That one just as well. Please correct me if I am wrong. Okay, actually doing this in the chipboard actually helps because it slows down the knife or the blade. Forgive my cough. It slows down the blade and actually gives me a little bit more control. So I like the chipboard. I have no idea where my cutting mats are. Maybe I don't know where they are because I've never used them to do this. So my finger's getting sore. Am I pushing too hard? That's that one. It's a real muscle job, this one. Okay, I'm only kidding. It's a finger job, this one. Okay, this is the last tag. Okay, and I stop right there so that the whole piece still sticks together. Alright, and this is just something so simple. Anyone can do this. Alright, let's glue my tag down, and now I must not forget that when I'm gluing this part here, I can only glue in an L, like in a U shape, like just in the edges, so that when my journaling card slips inside, let's just do the other way around so you can see. When it slips inside, is that one too small? No, it fits. It will go all the way down and maybe hit on that part there where I will have some glue. I don't want it falling out, but I also want it to go, I don't want it just to stick up there. I want it to go nicely in. So I'll be gluing all of this area and this area only on the edges. Okay. Get my glue stick. Now for the edges, then I'll need some of this glue. I have to be careful with this glue. So it's just a normal PVA glue. It's nice and liquidy. But I can't put too much, so it's really just like a hair strand size of glue here. You know, as thin as your hair, so that I can put in the corner. Let me just go all the way up so it doesn't have that tendency to tear. There we go. Alright, now just glue it down. I know I'll be needing to cut the excess of the tag in the back. That one just, let me just glue this one here because it did go dry a bit. And I like my corners glued down nicely. So this is what I'll be doing to all the other tags. Exactly the same process. No big technique, just very simple. But I think it will look so cute. Having the journal cards and the bingo cards inside a pocket in the tag. Okay, so that's excess is cut off. Let me do my hole. Get my ginormous big bite. Now you can see the size of the tag hole there in the white part. It actually does look like these things, but I want to use mine just because mine are distressed and they are stamped. Okay, I don't know if you'll see that, but mine are distressed and they are stamped. So that just gives it a little extra. And it matches the vintage look of the tag. And I will put one on the back. Why not? So that it's not all black. It's very blur. There we go. Oh, that looks actually quite nice. How does that look? Gives another little life to the tag on the other side. And then, I hope this is like dry already. Shall we try some journaling cards? Oh boy. Oh boy. Did I not? No, I did not stick this one down. I know I didn't. Alright, the bingo card went in nicely. And let's do the journaling card. Okay, oh, that one's too big. Oh, great. I should have tested this before gluing. Well, I guess that one's only getting the bingo card. Or maybe it can get 2 bingo cards. 2 bingo cards, because the bingo cards are smaller. And I can still do that. There we go. That one's done. And I will be doing the rest off camera so that you don't see me do exactly the same thing all the time. This time I promise to check if everything fits nicely the right way. Let me see the other one. Before I glue it down, that one fits. And that one fits as well. Oh, yes, that one fits. Okay, so these all fit. Alright, so let me cut this very quickly and then I will come back to you. So not cut, glue. I will glue. I was just about to cut them again. Let me hide my knife. I'm getting too excited about that. So let me glue this down and I will come back to you. Alright, so my tags are glued and they are ready to receive the journaling cards and the bingo cards. I think this one was the one. Oh, I know I fit that in. Oh, alright. I remember testing each and every one of them. I think the glue. It's the glue that's making it a tight fit. Alright, it's in. It's in. So maybe next time when I print these out, I'll make the bingo cards and the journaling cards slightly smaller, just slightly smaller, because I did make them smaller on purpose so that they could actually fit in here. They are maybe 1 centimeter smaller than the 8 centimeters, so that means they are 7 centimeters here. And I think the bingo cards are even smaller than the journaling card. Yes, the bingo cards are 6.5. Alright, let's see who else I can fill these up with. So that's why you really need that thin piece or strand of glue going around so that it doesn't occupy too much space. And this one's not going to go in as well. Oh, come on. It has to go in. It has to. Squirrel needs a pocket. Is it in? It's not going to go in. Alright. Put another bingo card in this one. So I've got 2 with just bingo cards. Oh, wait a minute. This was the one. Was this the one? There was one that I couldn't get the bingo card inside, right? Okay. So this is the one I couldn't get the bingo card inside. That's right. So these ones can take 2 journaling cards. And that's it. Oh, right. I can put this one in here, the squirrel, and a ticket in each. Let's put a ticket. Nice ticket. And I have a stamp as well. Gorgeous stamp with a beautiful owl. This kit has really wonderful images. And oh, why not? Let's put the words or the phrases somewhere in here as well. No, like that one on the back. And this one can be in the front. Okay, well there's only one. Oh, left, one left. Let's put it in here. This one's only got 1 journaling card. Alright, so that's it. And then I will have to see what I can do with the pockets, besides just folding them up and keeping things. But they are gorgeous. I chose the ones with the owls. Gorgeous, gorgeous owls. Beautiful owls. You can never go wrong with owls. So that's the tags. Just simple tags with some pockets and filled with the gorgeous bingo cards and the ephemeras and the journaling cards. And that's it. And really, I don't need to do much with this. Maybe just a little something on this part here, just to make it a little bit more decorative. But then I can do later on. And also maybe put some twine or some lace maybe some of that twine, that riff-raff twine, riff-raff twine, I don't know what you call it, but it's that very brown one. I do not have some here, but I will arrange for some. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you try that out. If you do print these tags out, remember this is something cool that you can do with them. And if you do, tag me, and I would love to see what you can do with them as well. See you later, and stay safe.